that playing? I can't tell. There it goes. Oh yeah, it's playing. Okay, so I think we've started. Yes, we have started. Okay, so we gotta do this. Click that. Turn this down a little bit. Okay, we're good. Okay, let's start working. Yeah! I got a bunch of blueberries. Oh, it's wet. Hang on. Ugh, soda, blueberries. We gotta work. Gross! Oh, sour. Okay. Okay, today we're brainstorming. Brainstorming levels. We're gonna use some help. So we're gonna talk with our ChatGPT agent and see if he can't give us some puzzle ideas. So 2D platformer puzzle game where you can invert the game. The inversion. 2D puzzle platformer game. You can jump, climb, jump. Let's just say with jump, pick up objects, pull objects, flip switches, and most importantly, there is a mechanic called inversion. This inversion inverts colors in the world can make objects disappear or appear. Invert gravity. It would be and invert gravity. Yo! And invert gravity. I need help coming brainstorming ideas for puzzles and unique uses for the inversion mechanic. Oh, excuse me. Inversion is state, not a button. Design puzzles where inversion isn't just on and off, but load state when we have reasons about. Mutually exclusive paths. Two routes exist in the same space. Only one exists when the other is inverted. The other only when they're normal. You must traverse both to progress. Delayed inversion. You flip a switch. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. Okay. Falling up hazards. Okay. We can do that. Okay. Falls platforms. Yeah, I guess I really haven't done like a platforming level. Going good. Today we're gonna work on level design. Like we're like probably not even gonna touch the game today. We're just gonna draw ideas. Hidden symbols. Okay. Alright. Yeah. That one is bad. Alright. Partial inversions. That's kind of interesting. I kind of like that idea. Huh. Alright. Let's get a small pin. Start drawing some ideas. There we go. It's our little guy. I'm trying to think of some puzzles. So, we were just in the warehouse. I know that, like, my original game design document had us go to some cities. And in the cities, there would be, like, some platforming. So there would be, like, jumping between buildings and stuff. Going inside buildings. There could definitely be some falling up type platforms here. I know that I was supposed to do a cave level at some point that opened back up into the forest, opened back up into like the outside. I'm guessing this would be like the end of the game. Kind of like how, what do you call it? The inside had an ending where it's like a cliff. I've kind of lost the plot of the game, like, entirely. It's okay, it happens. But I just want to finish it as like just this fun project. So I'm thinking that this will be like 2 more levels, 1 more level, 1 more level. Inside a cave. Do I really want to put my guy in a cave? Maybe split this. Does it count as losing the plot if you're the author? That's a good point. I'm losing what I originally had imagined the game to be. We'll do like a science lab here. Okay, let's make some layers. Let's do city 1. City 1. Alright, so City 1. What kind of puzzles do I want to do in City 1? Actually, let me look and see how many puzzles I have in the game already. Or like how many like obstacles I have. Because I'm supposed to do like 21 obstacles or so. So I'll count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 here. 7 there. Holy crap. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 there. Count that as 10. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 here. 15 here. I gotta do some stuff up here. I've gotta come up with what I'm gonna do up here. So if I'm at 15 right now, I got a little bit more to do. Let's design that top walk, catwalk. So there's the like little drop right here. And then, what was it again? It's like this. And then this is the exit. So I gotta see what I want to do here. Contextually speaking, I wanted to originally put like another spot where you had to like grab onto something and fly with it. I think what it'll be is like I'm gonna put another box that's much lighter over here. That's only visible in one world. So that you can cross over here normally, but you need the box. Is that gonna work? Hang on. So like the staircase is here. There's another little staircase here. Goes down. No worries, dude. So if I put a box here, this will be here in the black. Alright. Let's see. Let's see where it is right now. Okay, so right now that staircase is only visible in the black. So in the white, that's when the platform is there. The problem, I think, stems from if you take the box away. Like the box shouldn't exist in the white. It should only exist in the black. So that's what we'll do. And there's some things I gotta figure out with that anyways. Oh, is this broken? Oh, what's going on with that? Why is that doing that? Hang on. Oh, this. Why'd you get all messed up when you switched? Color inverter, box collider. That's all normal. That's all normal. Where's that other wall? There's supposed to be another wall here. Is it this? Yes, it is. I'll put it here. Oh, excuse me. Collider inverter. In the black. Let's just look to see what it's doing. Yeah, that's not working correctly. It's not working quite right. This is supposed to be completely blacked out. Let me see. Yeah, what's going on? This is weird. Oh, it's because it's not visible. Yeah, but see, this is acting all kinds of weird. It's like affecting the... Oh, is that why? It's to be default. See, this is acting up. I think it has to do with the fact that my switch... Give me a second, let me do this. Let me find this switch real quick. So here's my switch. Its collider is supposed to ignore... Let's just... That's fine. That's fine. Exclude layer, ground layer. There you go, see? So trigger key. Exclude the ground layer. And you... Let me... Handle. Exclude the ground layer. That's fine. And default. Because, yeah, if I turn this to ground layer, that'll fix everything. So now if I do this, this should not be, like, forced anymore. Is this correct? They both leaned forward. This puzzle needs to be fixed too. Something's up with this puzzle. Yeah, see, that's working now. There you go. There you go. There you go. I need to add white here. So, yeah, it worked last time. So the problem right now is that if I invert, or if I do this, this opens these two things. And if I invert, you'll see that that's closed off. So you do this, and it closes everything. Now, we climb up. We can affect this. This guy moves these two. So if we open this up, it'll open those two switches. We climb over here. I can get up here now. Whoa! Oh, that's gonna kill me if I don't want to do that. Good point. So now if I do this, this affects these two. So if I do that, push that that way, and then I push this way, that doesn't work. Okay, so I need this like that. I need this like this. this goes like this, and that fixes the puzzle. Now the question is, in the normal state, so this is normal state. Oh, I need this to actually be on. This needs to start on. You need to turn this off. So this needs to start in the opposite, I think. Yeah. Yeah, because check this out. So if I think that the puzzle is really easy. See, those move to their. Is that their on position? Jeez, I don't know. Oh God, I screwed that up bad. Yo, welcome. Let's just make sure that this works. Also, that's not working. I probably should move the checkpoint so I don't have to keep doing this over and over again. I'll fix that. So my concern is that if I just move this switch, it'll be ready to go. No, see? It's not. So if this is off, I can't just get in. Yeah, see, you have to do this in a certain order. Otherwise it doesn't work. So you gotta do this. And then you gotta do this. That is it. So, but does that mean that if you just do that switch that it'll work? That the middle switch is useless? I think the middle switch is useless. Let me move my spawns. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. The middle switch is completely useless. Okay. So if I just go and tap this switch, I'm pretty sure it is done. Yeah, see, the middle switch is useless. Yeah, of course I remember you guys. I remembered you guys from last time. Yep, the middle switch is useless. Okay, I need to make it so that I need to use the middle switch. But that's because the middle switch starts off. And that doesn't leave the player with much like room to like mess around with the. Oh, the puzzle's fine. Yeah, the puzzle's fine. Alright, so screw that. We're gonna leave it the way it is. This needs to start closed though. So we're gonna come here. This reframe zone we don't want to touch. So this is my first switch. This handles the door. It handles this door. Is open? No, should not be open. Open the door? Invert door is triggered. Okay, so we'll do this. Hey, do you think there could be a tech? What does that mean? Blinding poison? There's a limit for the invert? Probably gonna add a limit for the inversion. Okay, that door's closed now. That's good. So we should be able to just go walk over here. Hit this switch. This is the switch that matters. Ignore the switch. This switch is just like here to distract the player. And then you hit this one and the doors are open. Now the door's open. Now if I walk over here, I need to figure out this. Okay, so this is like this. So what I do is I grab this box, drag it to the middle, go up, move this to open that door, get back on my box. I can't see up there. Bring my box over here, go inversion, get my box. Okay, we're here. So then I probably shouldn't be able to take my box past this spot, so I'll need to make like a block or something. Jump on this. So now that I'm here, this is the spot that I was talking about before. So if I put a box here, I need a box here that is already inverted. So if I invert up here, it'll drop down, but it'll be like a normal box right here. And then I walk with it over here, and that's whenever I can use it to do this puzzle. But this box won't be like as heavy as the other box, so it's not gonna like, it's only gonna make my jump higher. Right? Is that what I want? So I'm standing here, and there will be a normal box. So then if I take that, the thing is what I have to think about is if that player takes that normal box and comes down here, what are they going to do with it down here? Ooh, I could put like a secret where if you take the normal box from up there and you bring it over here, you can get up in that area. Okay. That is what I want to do. So we're going to take this box, copy it, and move it over here. So this box is going to be smaller. We should call it flash mode. Oh yeah, grab, remove component. I'm gonna do a pickup. Okay, so the gravity scale is gonna go to -1 instead. So, and we're gonna see how that behaves. And then while I'm at it, I'm gonna put something over here. So we're gonna take this platform, move it down a little bit. We're gonna put a platform over here. We'll do something like this, so that the player can like use this box to jump and like get over here. I'll just put like a secret up there here or something. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just completely delete this so that they have to jump. Or I'm gonna like make it like much smaller maybe. Let's turn this on, remove that component, make it visible in both cases. Just something like this. Just like that. I feel like you should be limiting is a challenge mode. So I think what would be cool, like what you guys are suggesting would be cool, because like it's a game mode later on where you only get so many inversions. That would be kind of cool. So it's not like, oh, I have like as many as I want, but later if you want to play the game in hard mode, you only get like 5 inversions per level, or it's like the minimum number of inversions that you need. Okay, let's take this. And drop it behind the surfaces. There you go. Okay. I'm going to copy some of these boxes. Hang on, I gotta make this. This is no longer the float puzzle. This will be on the second floor. This will be on the third floor. So here's on the third floor. I'm gonna take some of these boxes also. I'm gonna copy these. This is Unity, yep. Third floor, I'm gonna put these here. So these are all pickups. Some of these are like, okay, I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna put them over here. I'll stack them a little bit. Okay. Da-da-da. That's fine. Okay, we're gonna put them in the corner. No, let me do my... Okay, so... Here's my float puzzle. I think I need this reframe zone to be a little bit higher. Or actually, let me change the reframe zone to be a little bit better ortho. I'm gonna do 3 because I couldn't see. What happened to the music making stream? Yeah, I gotta make music for this game too, dude. Still haven't done that. We will do it. We'll get to it. We're gonna get to it. Oh god. Let's make copies of these again and drop them over here. We're gonna get to it. Don't you worry a pretty little head about it. Okay. First, let's test these boxes. These little boxes. I actually don't know if picking something up will work. Okay, so see, this is like inverted now. Look, I can jump with it. Okay, it does seem to work. If I'd let go of it. Whoa. Give me that. Okay, it does seem to work. Drop that. But it takes away the inversion. So, that tells me that I've got to go fix some code. That won't be too difficult. I also hate this. I hate the way this looks over here. So I think I'm gonna take away. I know I was working on that the other day, but I don't like it. Okay, so see this stuff? There's one. So let me grab this, invert with it. See, I can't jump high enough with this, but it does give me a big old hop now. So if I grab this though, now this will let me float. See, that lets me float, which is different. Oh shit. Okay, so we come over here, we do this. Oh shit. Okay, well. Okay, so that the box does exactly what I want it to do. But the pickup script is broken. So I come to the pickup script and I edit this. The reason I know the pickup script is broken is because what it's doing is it's reverting to, like, it's just turning gravity back to 1. What it needs to do is record what the original gravity scale was and turn it back to what it's supposed to be. Grabbed object gravity scale. So whenever I pick it up, objective gravity scale, it records it See, it records it whenever I've grabbed it. So if I grab it, then invert, the inversion works. This records what the gravity scale was. Okay, so let me think about this. Facing multiplier. Alright, this is all fine. So whenever I let go... So see, this makes it so that I can grab it. It disables gravity on the object so I can pick it up. So then whenever I let go, it needs to make a decision about what the gravity is. This also needs to react to whenever it becomes invisible. So I need an update function that's recording. So if held, this, I need this logic to also take into account if the object's box collider disappears, or its collider disappears. If held, if let me look to see if I have the collider. Current grabs object's rigid body. Because I have a collider inverter that's on some of these things. Yeah, let me think. So whenever I'm holding it and I let go, and it changes the object's gravity scale back to what it was recorded as. But what it needs to do is check to see what the new gravity scale is supposed to be. Let me think, man. Because it's not working as intended. Whenever I let go, I should expect it to fly up into the air. So... that just means that the inversion needs to look for pickup. I'm gonna turn this music down real quick, hang on. I'm just not entirely sure how I want to handle that situation. I'll turn this back up for y'all. Let me see if I can... I know what to do. So, if at any point... So we're gonna say if the grabbed object's gravity scale, if it doesn't equal 0, or the grabbed object's gravity scale doesn't equal the old gravity scale, object gravity scale. So in this case, we're gonna just say object this will equal now the new gravity scale. That way, So this way, so if the gravity scale of the object has been changed by another script while being held, update the stored gravity scale so it can be reset properly on release. What the hell? How did it know to do that? Why did it just comment for me? I didn't like that. I was about to write my own comment. Go fuck yourself. Okay. Okay, so see this guy right here? So I grab this guy. Go like this, and then I let go, and it goes up. Okay. I would like to get up there. Whoa! Let me get up there. Okay. So now if let's say if the grabbed objects player transform what is this? What are you trying to do? What the hell are you trying to do? Grabbed object dot gravity scale is not equal to 0. No, this is not what I want. It is less than 0. If it is... Oh, I'm gonna do if it's... greater than or equal to 0, then you do this. Disable gravity. Otherwise, you leave it the fuck alone. And that way I can grab items that are in the air and hold on to them. So if something's floating, I want to be able to grab onto it. What have I done? Oh fuck, I've messed up. Alright, well I've messed up somehow. Don't know how I did that, but I did. That is fine. We're gonna take this and put it over here. Grab this guy, put him here, so that I can climb. So that's working. Now, I messed up something with the gravity scales. On release, it goes back to that. So this, if it is not equal to 0, meaning it's positive or negative. Ah, this is supposed to be an and. So anything but 0. Okay, so let's try that again. Dumb code. Hey-oh. Tired. Dude, what time is it? It is 7 o'clock. This stream is going to be in about an hour, but I'm just debugging now. Just debugging features. I'd rather code than... I want to make levels, though. So this is... where we test this out. Okay, that seems to be working now. Yeah, that's working. And then I should be able to grab this, and now it works. Now I'm like this, and if I invert and I let go, it goes up. That all works the way it's supposed to. So now it looks like my boxes are working as intended. Now what I need is if something if its collider goes away, so let's do a let's go to the forest level, because there's an item here that has its collider get inverted while I'm holding it. That's kind of broken. That logic that I did was for the pickup script. I need to update the grab script to do the same. Okay, so see this guy right here? If I grab him and then I invert, it doesn't release. So this has a... Come on, what in the hell? Fog? No, interact with the fog. What am I even grabbing, dude? Oh my god, turn the fog off. Can't interact, don't interact with that. Jesus. Don't interact with the background. Don't interact with that either. There we go, finally. Okay, so this has got a rigid body and a collider inverter and a grab script. So the grab script needs to look at the rigid body, 2D, the grabbed object. So if that, oh, it's the collider that I care about. Okay, so in that case, we're gonna do private collider 2D, grabbed collider. We're gonna go to the grabbed object, grabbed collider, like that. So this script and this one are going to have the same logic get added in both cases. So where's my read? There we go. Private collider 2D, grabbed collider, like that. Now, and then we say if okay, we put this logic in here. So we say if grabbed collider dot is active enabled, so we say is not, we do a release. So we do that. Copy this to the grab. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thanks, my friend's still here. I gotta eat dinner. Have a good one, dude. Thanks for joining. And then we take this. We say the same stuff. So if the grabbed object's gravity scale gravity scale default value, object gravity scale. Let's go up here to this grabbed. Rename this to grab. Held object. What did I say it was? Default value. Oh, gravity scale default value. Gravity scale default value, like that. Now this is gravity scale default value. So we come over here and we do the same thing here. Gravity scale default value. Okay, so the gravity scale default value equals the new gravity scale. Where was the logic for the negative? So on interact, if it is blah blah blah. I'm gonna do the same thing. Grabbed object, gravity scale goes 1. What? This shouldn't be correct. Where's the scale, the default value? Where is this? If the grabbed object's gravity scale is greater than blah blah blah, I think that's it. Okay, so let's test this out. I'm almost at an hour. I didn't really build any levels. Kinda sucks. Okay. So I shouldn't be able to grab it. It doesn't exist. You let go. Whoa, I can't grab it anymore. Why can't I grab it? Something's wrong. Okay. Grabbed object is related to its rigid body, no? Yep. So why doesn't that work? Okay, so let's watch. So when I grab this, then I invert, it releases. Somehow I could still grab something though. So, but it's not flipping something. Something's not flipping whenever I release. Oh, I think I know why. Because I did it here. Interactor. Yeah, because my interactor still thinks it's doing stuff. Alright, so that means my pickup needs an interactor. Let's look. Interactor. Interactor. Yeah. Alright, that means I need all this stuff. Hold point. Movement. Movement. Alright, move script. Let's go ahead and hit the interactor with this. Interactor. Player game object. Get the interactor. There you go. Now we say, on release, interactor dot clear interactable. What? 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 Clear interaction. Clear. No. Clear. God damn it. Interactor dot clear. What the hell is going on? This is what I want. Because it still thinks it's interacting. So anytime you release, you have to clear the interactor. Counteraction. Yes. Cancel interaction. Where's the clear interaction? I wrote a clear interaction. So let's go look at cancel. Oh, it says cancel there. It says cancel there. Oh, it says cancel. Okay. Go to definition. Cancel interaction. On counteraction. On the internet, go to definition of counteraction. This is the exact same thing. So why don't I just write this here? There you go. Beautiful. I fixed my interactor. Alright, that should work. Why the fuck is all this stuff interactable? Get out of here, you. Dun, dun. Oops, I forgot my box. Alright, I've hit an hour. Having a good time. Let me check my phone real quick though. See if anybody's trying to... Somebody's trying to play a game. I can, Oh. Alright. Okay, so we take this. We let it go. We take this, and we let it go. Take this, and we let it go. Take this, and we let it go. Alright. Seems as though it's working. Beautiful. Okay. Now we go back to the warehouse. And we say... And we say... where am I spawning? This is one of the guys that flies, right? Color inverter, pickup. Let's do a collider inverter. Let's do a collider inverter for a pickup. Alright. I don't know what this is gonna do. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. So I've got to pick up. Okay, let it go. Okay. Beautiful. Works as intended. Delete this. Remove that. Okay. Alright, now everything is working as intended. Now, Let's take my spawn point and put me over here. Alright, let's go. Oops. This. Climb my stairs. Holy shit. Drop everything. Oh, that is annoying. That was annoying, I got tricked. Cool. Cool. Cool, dude. That means that this shit be fucking disappearing too. Hang on. This one. This one. This one. Fuck. This one. Remove. None of you should have colliders. Collider inverters. You all behave. God damn it. Okay, let's try this again. Good lord. Alright, there we go. Okay. So now we should be able to get one of these boxes to help us jump. I think the stairs disappear? The stairs disappear. Alright, here's my boxes. We're gonna get this box right here. This box is a little big. I want this little box over here in the corner. This one. Alright, so now I should be able to... Ooh, look at me hop. Hop. Yeah, dude, that's exactly what I wanted. Okay, cool. I do think I need to reframe the camera because his hops are gonna make him... Okay, so if I let go, it flies. And if I... Oh, wait. Okay, hang on. Okay, so that's good to know. Let me check this ground layer. Are these ground layers? What is this? Black floor? Let's just put this here. That's all fine. Okay, this needs to be all ground layer. Ground layer. Ground layer. What's this over here? Ground layer. What's this? Ground layer. Okay, good. Okay, good. Good stuff. Okay, so now we have platformable stuff. What do I do with that information now? So that's this kind of figured out. I think I would like to see if I can make this jump. I want to make this a jumpable thing. We're at an hour, so we'll stop here. Damn it, dude. I didn't even get to brainstorm on the other stuff that I wanted to do. I got hung up in technical stuff again. This happens every time. This one. This is not a pickup. This is a grab. Yep. Oh shit, I missed the ladder. What is this? This inverts to -1, and this inverts to -2. Okay, I need this, I need them both to be -2, I think. There we go. Comfy music. What's it from? Oh, am I gonna make that? Whoa, what happened? Why did that invert to invisible? Which song? Let's see. So I've got a couple songs planned. Was it the last song? This is 21 minutes in. This is Wild Arms. And then this is Xenoblade Chronicles. This one? I can turn it up for you. Yep, that's the one. Here, I'll turn it up. This is Xenoblade Chronicles Reminiscence. No, Wild Arms. Oh, Wild Arms. Sorry. I never played this game. I know Xenoblade Chronicles is like famous though, like not famous, but like, you know, lots of people know Xenoblade well. Right, let's go ahead and move this down here. I think that'll be better. That'll be like a little secret I can add. Alright, let's test it again. This is, I listened to this like at work. This is the Fruddles. This song has like the Wild West vibes. I know. This has got, this guy, Fruddle, made a bunch of playlists, and then his YouTube channel got taken down. And so, like, people have been keeping his playlists alive for a long time. So if you look up Fruddle's video game music playlists, you'll find, like, all kinds of playlists that he made. And they've just got good music in them. Like, good video game music. I've found that, like, listening to video game music while I work is really good. And I'm pretty sure that's because, you know, video game music is designed to be in the background and, like, help with you, like, staying focused. Because that's its job, to, like, keep you engaged in the video game, right? Alright, let's jump this. Whee! Whee! Okay, cool. Oh, no! I fell. Alright, can I do this without? I'll die right here. This is so funny. Ah! Damn it. Okay. Right, so I need to start putting real checkpoints. What is this? I got an error. The object transfer room has been destroyed, but you are trying to access it. Grabbed object position hold point. Yeah, it's such a specific style. Yeah. Alright, so I think what happened is on my death... Ah, oh, darn it. Oh, crap. On my death, I need to release the box and cancel the interaction. So many technical problems. This is crazy. Kill box. Edit script. Edit script. No. Actually. Is it this? If held, blah 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 blah. And hold point, grabbed object position. I think this actually needs to be a null. This can just be a null check. this can just be a check on the... Grab object position is at the hold point position. And I'm trying to reference the hold point. If held and hold point is not null. And I'll just do if hold point equals null. If held, I'll do it here. I need to do this. What? Kin Insurance? I have no idea who that is. That's weird. Alright, so basically what I need to do is I need to do another if statement before this. If hold point equals null, release blah 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 blah. Okay. This is gonna be, this logic is gonna maybe carry over here. I don't think I have a hold point. I have a joint that holds me together. Yeah, the pickup is it's moving the object. So I think this will fix it. Let's test it. God, dude, so many technical issues. Alright guys, hang on a second. Let me pause for a minute. I'll be right back. Nope, that was not for me. Sorry about that. Alright, so we go up here, we get our box, we take it down there, we try to die with it. And if it makes a bunch of errors, we'll know that it's broken. This is 2 times. Okay, so there's this. What does it want? Toggle arm visibility. So it's trying to do this here because it's trying to find the arm. It's trying to find his arms. So that's a part of the release. So in release, you just toggle the arm visibility. I'll do this. For each arm and arm animation sprites. If animation sprites equals null, assigned. We'll just do this. And this will get us out. What the hell? Well, what's going on? Why is something, is like Copilot helping me or something? That was exactly what I was gonna write. Stop analyzing my code! Let's go test. Yay! Look at him go! Woo-yahoo! Okay, let's see. It still did it. Maybe I need to do toggle arm visibility before I die? This is in response to... This is in response to everything being deleted. I'm trying to think... If everything's deleted, you can't do this. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll say if We'll put an if statement here, see if that works. Because this will get deleted with everything. Find game object with tag, hold point. Yeah. So we'll say if hold point. What? What are you saying here? God, technical problems. I really just... Let me finish these technical changes, and then I'll get to the level designing. My brain just does not work that way, man. I don't know how level designers do it, bro. I missed. Woohoo! Did it still try to do it? I'm confused. Let's put it in an else statement. There's not really a ton I can do. You're like in between frames. Yahoo! No errors! Okay, cool. That's what I wanted. Now, let's design some like obstacles over here for the character to get through, I guess. Let's just design some walls. I guess, man. I don't know. Let's just design a big old wall for him to get over. Little fella's so cute. I feel bad whenever he gets crushed. I know, dude. I feel bad too. He's like, he's really cute and innocent. Doesn't deserve it. Oh, I love this music. Do you like Zelda? This is like one of my favorite songs from Zelda. Let's see. I'm gonna make some... Make a bunch of obstacles, I guess, man. I think I can clear this. So jump and jump down. put a door here. Are you serious? I got that first try. Perfect fit. Nice. Maybe I need to make a room I jump up into? Like I need to jump up into a space? Oh, that would make sense. Okay. So to do that, I need to decide where it goes. I'm gonna copy this switch so that it's responsible for a different door. So there's my switch. That's not the right door. So here's my door and my switch. I'm gonna go drop these over here. Excuse me. Sorry, hang on. These guys need to be outside of this. So here's all of this. That's fine. Let's see. So I guess I'm gonna split this wall up some more. Because I want to make it a room that you have to go into, but like it's a dead end. It's not like a room that you would progress through. You need to go in to hit the switch and then you leave. So let's move these closer to each other. I think I'm gonna just take these walls away. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I need to move this door further in. So like move it here. That way I'm giving myself more room to work. I'll do this. Yeah, I think that's the move. So we do this. Like this. Is that even? That looks kind of even. We'll do it like this. Okay. So we put these together. Put these together. Do you remember the Majora's Mask Dancers theme? Oh, they're like weird dancers. Hang on. Majora, they don't have like a face. Majora's Mask Dancer. It's got like, yeah, this one. This is so creepy. I never understood why they don't have a face. It never made any sense. Well, the dancers have a face, but Link doesn't have a face when he wears the mask. That always freaked me out. Okay, hang on. Let's This dancer's theme is oh look, there's a person doing it. It's a little dude's head. Okay. Let me add this here. Is this really the dancer's theme? Oh yeah, I guess it is. Oh god. I would really hope that the player doesn't get stuck in this little space. Alright, let's like lose their box up there. That would suck. If they lost the box up there, they'd be screwed. That was quick. I think Zelda's got some of my favorite music in video games ever. I mean, I'm such a huge Zelda fan. Like, yeah, it was off-putting, 100%. Off-putting is the right word. Beep boop. Give me this. Alright, check it. Here we go. Jump. Jump. Oh, I can barely reach. Jump. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna have to lower this. Or make the jump higher. Oh my god. Okay. I know what to do though. Check it. Alright, so this is actually a puzzle. This is actually a puzzle. So we come over here. We drop... Shit. We drop this over here. And we go get another box. We go get another box. If you get a chance, you should give the Shin Megami Tensei 4 OST a listen. I've actually never played Shin Megami Tensei. That game is on the list, though. Jump. Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus. Alright, we gotta go back up. Alright, it's okay. Take the box. Come on! Okay. Alright, hang on. Jump! Okay, here we go. Check this out. So we take this box, we put it on top of this box, and then we float. Oh! Damn it. Okay, there's gotta be a way. You know what? I think I know the way. Alright, so what we do, this is what we're gonna do. I actually want this to be a puzzle. Maybe bigger boxes. No. We got this. Give me a second. I got you. We're gonna lower that. This will be like, oh, I just have my one box. It's fine. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend this. I want this to be here. I want this to be like this. So it closes. This is gonna be a collider inverter. So we're gonna invert the collider, and we're gonna only make this visible to the white. So it starts off invisible. Like this. Okay. Actually, so we're gonna do this, and we're gonna just make the object transparent. Okay, so check this out. So basically what we're gonna do is when we go up, we'll be able to push our boxes across. I'm gonna have to put a block or something. So now we can move across, right? So we take our big box, we drag it all the way over. This is a box puzzle. Oh, dude, this is totally unintentional. This is only like this because I put all those boxes there, and then I like made a problem for myself that I had to solve. But now I have this. I don't have to make the jump anymore, but I have this, and now I can do that. Now I'm inside. So now that I'm in here, I should be able to make these jumps no problem. Okay, maybe not. Jump. Nope. Jump. Nope. Jump. Oh, jeez. Jump. Oh, shit. Maybe I need to like increase the gravity a little bit, because like I want it to look like that. There's no way I'm getting out of here now. I can almost make that jump. I like this. I would much, man. I like having to jump the gap. I want this to be like you're getting into an air duct, you know what I mean? I want it to be like, oh, I'm jumping into the air duct. But the ceiling is too high. Maybe I have to lower this ceiling. Maybe I need to lower the ceiling. Maybe that's my problem. My ceiling's too high. Shoot. Okay, hang on. Let me see. I'll just take all this crap and lower it. I need to lower this stuff too, though. The roof. I need to figure out how to grab this stuff. I forget what it's on. I think it's on my background layer 1. Second floor, third floor. This? No, it's in here. Props? Let's just turn everything back on. Gray walls. Dark gray. Background. Here it is. Okay, so I take this. I'm gonna take pipes. This is a block. Oh man. Okay, so that's the block I care about. Sorry, this is all disorganized. I am very sorry about that. That is my fault. My fault, OG. Alright, that's what am I missing? I'm missing something. Warehouse. No? Wires. These are just props. Isn't this what I care about? Where is all of the... Where's all of the levels? Staged. God, I'm so dumb. This. Sorry, I'm very dumb. This. The gradient isn't... I don't care about the gradient. Okay, keep grabbing horizontal walls. Turn that off. I really just want to grab this. Okay, good. I got what I wanted. We got the roof. Turn this off. I care about this. Yeah. I care about this and this and this. Okay. This. Maybe not this. Maybe not that either. Yeah, we'll take these off. God, man. Okay. Let me take everything like this. Shift it down a little bit. Now that we've shifted it down, it gives us a little bit more play space. I don't really know what I want to do with this, like this space contextually. Okay, now something that's bothering me is that I like that I have to jump this gap. So, but I like the idea of having to stack boxes to get up higher. So I think I'm gonna leave this gap like this. Man. And I'm gonna put boxes in this room. So I'm gonna copy these boxes. I get this block over and over again. Let me turn this block off. Background, turn that off. Okay. I'm gonna copy these boxes, like this exact same thing. I'm gonna move these over here. Okay. I'm getting really disorganized, and it's gonna cause me a lot of headaches later. Boxes, okay, boxes. We're doing all right. We'll just put a bunch of boxes in a room and let the player figure it out, right? That's kind of how open world kind of game design works. You just let the player, you give the player the tools and they'll figure the rest out themselves. Okay. So I can move this up. And then what I think I'll do is I'll make it kind of a little bit more, what's the word? Oopsie. Oh shoot, hang on. Right. It's a little bit more interesting, I guess. Just some twists and turns for the player to go through. I mean, nothing fancy. Okay, so there we go. I'll treat this as if it's like a vent that the player's coming out of or something. Oh boy, hang on. I'm messed up big time. All of this stuff is labeled incorrectly. That. When we take this stuff, we gotta make all of this stuff ground layer. This too. Ground layer. This should be climbable. These two should definitely be climbable. I mean, all this stuff should technically be climbable. Yeah, I'll just make it climbable. Climbable. Okay, let's try this. This might work. Oh my god, I'm at an hour and 30. I said I was gonna quit in an hour. That's alright. Okay, let's grab this stuff. Jump. Jump. I made it. Jump. Jump. Can't quite make this. We have a lot of boxes that we can use to figure this puzzle out. So we'll take all these boxes. I mean, I'm imagining that even this one will be enough to get me the height I need. But if you can't use that one, maybe the big one will work. Come on. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, see that? Now come down here. Yahoo! Look, I'm in. And now I'm in here. Now I can use my height to jump up. Jump up in here. Well, I don't really see where I need to be. Okay, see that? There, see it. Now I can jump through there. So this is like this now. Oh, it doesn't recognize the door. I think I need to make this... Okay, it didn't recognize the door. These obstacles make sense. Or okay though. I don't mind all of these obstacles. Let's fix this though. This needs to be fixed. I messed something up. Off trigger. That's incorrect. Hey! Stop! Sliding door. There you go. Okay, so on trigger. Close the door. Off trigger. Open the door. Open the door. Okay. Alright, there you go. Let's test it out. And then this level should be pretty much... This looks impossible. So we got platforming, we got puzzle solving. This level's pretty much done. So that's good news. Give me this. Woohoo! Oh god. Oh crap. Go up, go up, go up. Jump! Oh my god, I made it. Jump up here. Jump up here. Jump up here. Oh, I made it. I didn't quite need the boxes. Jump up here. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Let go of that. Give me my box back. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we're free. Okay, now we're here. I can't seem to quite get up there. So how do I get this? Let's see. How would we do this? We'll leave that box there. Okay, I need more boxes here. Yeah. So what I'll do... Let's get these boxes again. Another set of boxes. Okay. Right. We'll just do that. Just more boxes. Just give the player the ability to figure it out for themselves. If I can figure it out, they can figure it out. They're smart enough. Let's test it one last time, and then I'm getting off for the night. I appreciate you coming to join and hanging out. A couple people joined this evening, so that was fun. I hope you all are having a great day. Hope you enjoyed the music. Let's go, go, go. Let's grab my box. Come here. Jump. Jump. Nice. Getting some speed. Momentum. Momentum. Jump. Yes, sir. Go down. Take my box with me. Go up here. Jump up in there. Jump up. Get my switch. Jump. Jump up here. Okay, so now this is where we'll need to get this big old box to go this way. Come here. Oh god, I'm so small. I don't think I can make this. Okay, I need to... This is like as perfect as it can get. Okay, the wall is just simply too high. So, we just lower this a tiny bit. Let's get my checkpoint, just go test this. I'm so sorry. Oh god, it's so disorganized. Anybody else that looks at this is gonna be like in for a treat. I feel really bad. Oh god. Exterior walls? Exterior walls? The gradient, the door? What door? That door. Falling pillars. This is the first floor. So where's my third floor? Right. Okay. Spawn the checkpoint. Let's get the checkpoint and bring it over here. I think I need to put some boxes into this, like one box at least. Like a floating box. This guy. I want to just stick this guy in here just in case the player happens to lose their box. Oh, that's not the right box. This box? Yes. I'll put this box in here just in case the player happens to lose their box. If they lose their box in here, man, like, I don't know what to tell you. You, like, shit out of luck. Fuck it, fuck it. I'll put one there. I'm too nice. I'm too nice. That's the problem. This is the scene. I made the game view. Okay. Wake up, idiot. Okay, we'll just take all this stuff and put it over here. Jesus. Okay, come on. Okay, there you go. Okay. up. There we go. We're in. Okay. So what is this? What's going on with this? Where it's like invert. What is going on here? I'm free! I finished the level. Okay. Oh, I'm going somewhere. Where did it take me? Where is it taking me? Temp cleanup scene? Oh god. Okay. Alright guys. Thanks again. Have a good evening. I will see y'all on the next one. We'll be hanging out. We'll be around. Let me end the stream. Bye guys. See you.